Hey everyone, in this example we are going to complete the identity. Sometimes instead of instructions such as complete the identity, that the instructions might say something like simplify, rewrite, or write as a single trigonometric expression. It can vary. So in this one we are going to clean this up and make it look all nice and pretty and simplify it into something a little nicer and neater. So let's see what we're going to do here. Now, a couple ways that we could go about doing this. When I see sine squared and 1 plus cosine, I do see friends. Please remember 1 minus cosine squared theta is not the same as 1 minus cosine theta. The Pythagorean identity needs things to be squared. So what we're going to do for this one, I'm going to show you a little side stuff, is we're going to reference sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. However, we're going to rewrite this. We're going to subtract that cosine squared over and look at it as sine squared theta equals 1 minus cosine squared theta. And then we're going to look at the 1 minus cosine squared theta as the difference of two squares, which can factor into 1 minus cosine theta and 1 plus cosine theta. So we're going to use that in this problem. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to leave this 1 alone. There's a lot of ways to do this. This is just one way. Minus fraction bar. Bottom we got 1 plus cosine theta. On top, that sine squared theta, right? This guy over here, I'm going to replace it with 1 minus cosine squared theta. 1 minus cosine squared theta. Now, you cannot reduce when there's plus and minus signs involved in your numerator and denominator. So next step, 1 minus. Next, I'm going to factor that numerator like I described right there as a difference of two squares. So 1 minus cosine theta and 1 plus cosine theta. These are interchangeable, obviously. It doesn't matter. Multiplication is commutative. Then, oh my gosh, we can reduce. That can cross out, but be so careful. There are parentheses in after this minus sign. So what does that mean? I'm going to distribute that subtraction to both those parts. So it's 1 minus 1 plus cosine theta. And what does that mean? Those are gone. What's left is just the positive cosine theta. So what does this simplify into, or what do we complete the identity to be? Cosine theta. I hope you feel okay about that. If not, rewind, watch it again. I think I did it quickly enough for you. That was about 3 minutes. Watch it again, do it without looking, play it again. It's a great example, classic trig identity type of example. If you feel all right about it, give this video a nice little thumbs up. If you are on the struggle bus and annoyed and this was not helpful, give the video a thumbs down. Did it differently? Feel free to share or ask questions in the comment section down below. Click through for the next video. Hope you're feeling smarter. Adios.